Today we'll look at a new capability in 2512. Reorganize Meshes automates mesh reorganization into new mesh collectors based on several options. We'll begin by creating a shell mesh with the option for create separate meshes set to on for each face. We'll go ahead and select everything and create our mesh, and we'll notice that all of the 51 meshes that were created on the 51 faces go into a single collector. Now, if we'd like to reorganize this, let's say by body, we can do that quickly and easily with the Reorganize Meshes command. So here now we can see each group of meshes organized within a collector that represents all of the meshes for a particular body. And we can see that a little bit better if we edit the display of the mesh collectors to specify a separate color for each.